Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. This is part 2 of my Jacobsen Imperial 26 with the Tecumseh engine. As you know, I got it for free, picked it off the curb, got the engine running. Everything was all seized up because of rust. I took that engine cover off probably 3 or 4 times. Messed with the magneto and the points magneto. I loosened up the recoil starter to get it to pull. And as you guys saw from the last episode, we checked for spark and fuel, and this thing started up, and it runs. It runs well, actually. The drive shifting is smooth. Everything works. As you know, it was missing a chain from this wheel, as it had one on that one. I, in turn, had a snowblower from the past that had only one chain. I took that chain off, and now if I find that chain, I'll be able to put it on this one, and then we'll have the snowblower with chains. As you also know, it didn't come with a muffler, and while I have tons of different Tecumseh mufflers, I didn't have the one that was specific to this one. And this one is a very low profile one right there, okay? It's very low profile because it would get in the way of this thing right here. All the other Tecumseh mufflers that I had, it wouldn't fit. So I ordered one. It was only like $8 or something like that, used. It's very low profile over here, and it sticks out this way, like that. So I'm waiting for that. In the meantime, I'm going to look for that chain. In addition, I replaced a shear bolt there. It only had a regular bolt just sticking through, and you could just pull it out. It wasn't even on threads. I'm amazed that it even worked. And apparently all it needed was the one, because while it does have holes there, right, they don't go anywhere. And apparently it's just this one shear bolt that's in there, and it controls the whole thing. See? If I took that out, both of these would be freewheeling. So it's just one. How about that? Anyway, so that's changed. I'm going to look for that other chain and install it. So I've looked everywhere for that damn chain. And look, it's just hiding under here. I hope it fits. Dripping gas out of the carburetor. So I just clipped the fuel line so it wouldn't drip anymore, but it's still dripping. I hope this fits. It's about the same size, I think. Just not sure. That doesn't seem right. Seems a little loose though, doesn't it? There's the main chain link over here, and you can actually use another link to tighten it even more. It just seems like it's really loose though. It's probably not made for this one, you know. It was probably made for a more thicker tire, but I think we can get it to work. Do some wiring. Yeah, I think I can get it to work. Yep. So as long as I put a piece of wire in the front, it'll be pretty tight. Got like this thin wire here. And essentially this wire is just holding it for tension. It's never, you know, touching the ground or rubbing against anything, so it won't like rub out or anything. I know a lot of people who use simple bungee cords, you know, the little bungee cords, and they just do it that way. Mostly for lawn tractors and stuff, but it's the same idea, you know. Even if it is not meant for this wheel, as long as you have these chain parts that go all around the wheel, it'll serve its purpose. It's a little rigged, you know, but come on, just tire chains, man. That's not the space shuttle. Not the space shuttle. Just tire chains. Once you get it to work, man. Don't make a federal case out of everything. You know what I mean? See that? I know you see it. That's nice and tight, see? Just do a crisscross pattern. Once tie it together. It's not a big deal. You just got to tighten the chains. That's all. This wire's not very strong, but as long as it holds it together to give it a little bit of tightness there. There you go. Right. Now they both got tire chains now then. Yeah. It's perfect. It works just fine. Works just dandy. Take the fuel off. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, what do you think? Should we give it a try. As you saw, this old puppy fires right up. You know, took a few pulls, but you know what? This thing is like 50 years old. What do you expect? Anyway, we're almost done fixing this mamma jamma. So I'm going to replace this thing. Maybe it was this way. Gotta find the hole, and I see the holes over here. Alright, I see it. Okay. This is basically a guide so that I don't have to, you know, so that the handle doesn't suck over there and then you gotta put your hand in here to try to grab it. It just holds it right there, you know. So I took it off to take off the recoil starter cover, and now I'm just putting it back on. So all we're needing now is a muffler, and I was thinking about painting it, you know, the original color, which is mostly white on the auger housing and the that square part right there. This is all white. The chute is red, engine is red, and this plate over here is red. Or I could just leave it the way it is for the natural patina. What do you guys think? Paint it white and red, or leave it with the natural patina? Tighten up the bolt here. You know, my other Jacobsen Imperial 26, even though I didn't think I could start that up either, I gotta tell you, these Tecumseh engines on this model is so damn reliable, you know. I was even questioning how the design was about there being no primer bulb, you know. But as you can see, you don't really need a primer bulb, you know. The primer system it works just fine, just by, you know, giving it a couple of dry pulls here and there, you know, just some light dry pulls like that. Apparently the way it's designed, the vacuum sucks fuel into the throat of the carburetor, and then all you need is a pull, you know, on choke. Just really loud without a muffler. But once we get a muffler on there and the cover, you know, this thing will run just fine, and you know, probably sell it for $200, $250 maybe. Oh, it's a, you know, somebody would want something old like this, but you know, it's a good snowblower. Old looking, but it works, and it's big too. That front auger housing, I mean, you can clear 26 inches in one pass. The impeller spins like a mother. I mean, it's really strong. They don't make them like they used to. Even though I never really got to try my original Jacobsen 26, that just looked like it could really throw a lot of snow, you know? And I think this one would do a good job too, you know? So I'll just wait for that muffler to get here. We'll put everything back together again. And I'd be curious to hear your comments and your suggestions on whether or not I should paint it. I mean, I kind of like the old patina look, you know, just the natural way it's supposed to be. It's built like a tank, so honestly it's just surface rust. There's no real rotted rust anywhere. and that white paint has just chipped off, and that's the natural color of the metal, you know. So should I keep it this way or should I paint it? Let me know. In the meantime, we're waiting for that muffler. See you guys later. So, my Craftsman LT1000 is going to a new home. This is Bill from a local area here in Northport, and he came and checked it out, liked it, and so made a deal. And so we just put this on his trailer here. Man, I just drove it up here. It was like the easiest tractor load ever, man. It was wonderful. Anyway, so he's strapping it down now. Hate to see this go because you know what? I really like it. But you guys know my wife's going to get on my case about having too many in my garage, you know? So I'm letting it go. Pretty good price too. Bill's happy. I guess I'm okay with it, you know. So he's taking this up to Vermont, where he's going to be mowing how many acres?
Oh, small. Just an acre.
Oh, kind of like me. I've got like 0.22 acres. Anyway, so bye-bye, Craftsman, and thanks for watching.
Well, you got a YouTube channel. You only sold it for $500. You gave it away.
No, then she'll be mad at me. She says, why'd you give it away so cheap?
What's your YouTube channel?
Mowers and Blowers.
Oh, Mowers and Blowers. I'll look you up.
Look me up, baby.
All right, continue.
Take care, Bill. And there goes another one of Mowers and Blowers lawn tractors. Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Also, follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next project. Have a great day.